All right, we're back here at Mummert Machine, and we're looking at the heads that were kind of the driving force behind our last video. These are the 68 302 4 barrels, and the last video all started because guys saw what we did with the 289s on our EMC. He got these heads boxed up and sent them to us, and then when we saw them, we were like, hey, these are 302 heads. They're not 289s. The ports inside is different. If we were to try to run that port into 302, the head would get too thin and it wouldn't be reliable. This is probably almost the exact same head that would come on the last year, the Gt-350, well, or the 68 Gt-350s. Like I said before, these are California Special. That's the car that these go on. But we decided to develop and write a new intake port for what I would call the base 302 port design. Our chamber did work from the 289 in the 68 4 barrel. The exhaust port's a little different. We had to, because these are a smog port, we ran a couple passes through, and then we hand blended all on this side. We hand blended in the smog portion of the port. I'll take you over to the flow bench and we'll look at some differences. They come out really close, right? It's just the bigger volume 289 ports come out a little better up top, so we'll go over there. All right, so this is the difference on the intake port of the 65 289 style port versus what I would call the 302 base port. And so you can see really down low and up through the mid lifts and all the way up to, well, close to 400 lift. They're pretty similar. You know, little after 350 they start to diverge. They're within 5 at 400, and then they just kind of open up from there. The 302 port just doesn't have the cross section over the short turn and through the bowl area that the 289 does. We'll go to the numbers. So Cedar port, and then here we go. We'll look at them closer. So like we said, they start out pretty similar, and then they just kind of open up. But because it's a CNC program and we have to deal with core shift problems and things like that, we go ahead and try to keep it a little conservative. I mean, it's a good solid port job. It's nice and steady. So these are the flow numbers, and then we'll bring up the swirl, and so you can see the swirl lines. They both have a semi-similar shape. You know, we get them to start out and they hover about 1,000 out to about half lift, and then we just get a steady rise on the swirl to about 2,200 near the end. So I'm pretty happy with that, and I really like keeping the swirl as low as I can in this mid lift range, because that's where the piston velocity gets really fast. We don't want to take on any pumping losses, so once the piston starts to really accelerate, we want to keep the swirl pretty low right there. As the velocity across the short turn starts to come up, you will start to see the swirl rise. So we just try our best to control it and come up with a nice steady design. So back here at the bench, yeah, the last thing we have to talk about is these heads are set up for the 8mm valves. Customer wanted to do 8mm valve stems just like we did on the 289 for the Engine Master, and why not? You know, just because they're old doesn't mean we can't take advantage of some new modern things. Lightweight valves, the lightweight valve train's always good. And the CNC porting thing is an expensive route to go. It's not something that you typically just do for your everyday average daily driver. To show you the evolution of these heads, I had to go on vacation for 4 days because it's spring break around here, so I got that last video shot and then had to go, and it actually got more response than I thought it would. I was actually kind of intrigued by that, but then I was out and about and then couldn't really respond or talk to any of you guys commenting. So appreciate all the comments. We at least try to show some proof, some data of what we're talking about, and try to give some fairly decent explanations of why we're even bringing up the topic. So anyway, want to get these heads done, get them out, get them to the customer, and hit like, subscribe.